The start of a new season brings with it dry, flaky skin and hair. Broken, lifeless, and damaged hair, as well as dry skin, can't all be laid at the door of winter alone. Many factors impact our skin and hair, including sun exposure or pollution from cities, especially air pollution. Pollution is one of the most damaging elements to the skin and hair. Pollution, particularly from industrial plants, motor vehicle exhausts, and smoking cigarettes, has increased dramatically in recent years. Smoke, dust, hazardous gas, particles, nickel, lead, and arsenic might all cause sensitive scalp syndrome, an ailment characterized by the accumulation of this particulate material on the scalp. Pollution can have a negative effect on hair health. It causes hair protein to deteriorate, affects the hydrophilic hair surface niche, and damages the cuticle layer of the hair. According to a recent study, being exposed to pollutants damages the skin, lowers stratum corneum quality, increases dark spots, wrinkles intensity, and alters normal sebum production composition. We know how detrimental and dangerous pollution is to our skin and hair after reading this information. We must take certain measures to safeguard our hair and skin from this natural adversary. This is Hair Topics. Thank you for watching our channel.